Today's video is sponsored by Wild Creek Naturals, and we're going to show you how to use their essential oil blend to create your own handmade soap, sugar scrubs, a spa bath, an all-natural cleaning spray, and a simmer pot recipe that's going to have your whole house smelling amazing. Hi and welcome back. We've teamed up with Wild Creek Naturals for this DIY, and we're using their MARSEILLE'S REMEDY essential oil blend that's made from organic quality extracts, and this oil is especially great for wellness products and spa products. So if you do see this bottle in your wellness stores, you're going to definitely want to give it a try. Okay, let's get started on ways to use this oil. The first way is to make your own handmade soap, and making your handmade soap is just a nice little DIY project, and it's also great for gifts to have on hand too. Take 4 ounces of good quality melt and pour soap base, and a good quality base should have 0 aroma, so that it's not competing against the essential oils. Melt that on 30-second bursts in the microwave, and you just want to make sure that it's melting nice and gently and not going to burn. Add to that 10 drops of the essential oil. Then take 1 tablespoon of oatmeal and sprinkle it into the mold. Now pour a little bit of the soap base on top and let that sit for a minute. And this is going to keep all of the oatmeal in place so that it stays on the top of your soap bar. Pour in the rest of the soap and let that sit until it's hard enough to take out of the mold. And now just trim off the extra. And you have an amazing oatmeal spa bar. Next, we'll make a salt blend for those spa bath nights. Take 3 cups of Epsom salt, add a 1/4 cup of dried lavender and rose petals, to that add 15 drops of the essential oil blend, and stir that up really well. You'll want to be sure that all of the oil is really well incorporated into the salt. And put that into a container with a snug fitting lid. A good way to describe this aroma from this essential oil blend would be warm and earthy. The clove bud oil paired with the cinnamon is like having a nice gentle hug, and the eucalyptus just takes it to that spa level. It's just a beautiful scent, you guys. And you can use 1 cup per bath. Now a hand scrub recipe that's going to make your hands feel and look nourished and moisturized. And this scrub is perfect for when your hands are dry and need some extra TLC. Start with 1/4 cup of brown sugar, add to that 1/4 cup of white sugar, and now mix in a 1/4 cup of soft coconut oil and get that cream together. Next, 7 drops of MARSEILLE'S REMEDY, and you can put that into a jar to keep right by the sink. This scrub is great to use just before bed. And just to take note that if you're going to be using the scrub in the shower, because it's good for that too, that you use a shower-safe container instead of a glass jar. Now for a natural cleaning spray. Start with 1/2 cup of distilled water. Add 1/2 cup of white vinegar and 7 drops of oil. Put that into a dark spray bottle, and that's going to keep for about 2 weeks in the fridge. And when you're ready to use it, just give it a good shake and you're good to go. And lastly, this is how you can make your home smell fantastic and get some moisture into the air too. Start with 3 to 4 cups of water. Add some dried lavender sprigs and some fresh rosemary and 7 drops of oil. The essential oil blend has rosemary in it already, so this is just going to enhance that aroma. Now the trick is to a really good pot simmer is to just have the heat on very gently, just enough to cause steam to rise from the surface, just like this. And be sure to check on that so it doesn't go dry. If you need to, just set a timer so that you don't forget. And if you're looking for a really good gift idea, you can just put all of these things together in a nice basket, and that would make a really nice gift for someone. They would love everything in here. We hope you found this super inspiring to go out and try this essential oil blend. And just a reminder that all of the purchasing links are in the description and also up on our blog. Till next time, have a great day, everyone.